So guys, I want you to listen up and watch this video to the end. This is about the Nigerian judicial system. This is about our human rights. This is about our constitution and several other things. So I want to welcome you to this YouTube channel. Probably this is your first time of watching this video or probably coming across this YouTube channel. Kudos to everybody watching our video, for the like, for the comment, and for those who deem it fit to subscribe. And if you are yet to subscribe, this is actually the best time for you to actually subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. So let's move straight to the business. For you today is about the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Now, a number of you are actually familiar with all of what is happening out there. In addition to the current happening in Nigeria, the Yesowike versus the army officer, the invasion of US, army to Nigeria based on genocide, several things keep happening that, get our attention from time to time. This time around, it is about Nnamdi Kanu. Now, I know before now, several points has been raised towards the release of this man. Several protests has been made, just some weeks ago, we saw what happened when Omoyele Sowore and some Igbo, followers of Nnamdi Kanu agitating for his release, because we all know that it's actually more than 5 years now that this man has been detained by the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And oftentimes when I do my video, I make you understand that there are several court procedures that has been passed in favor of Nnamdi Kanu. No wonder why he was very angry in this particular video I'm going to be playing shortly.
You don't know what justice means. Useless black African people. You don't know the meaning of justice. Your constitution says you cannot try anybody unless the law is written. Show me the written law. Show me the written law. I want you to read the law. Talk to me now. Show me the law. Are you okay? Don't go close. Don't try that rubbish. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try that rubbish. Don't try that rubbish. Useless people. You don't know law. You don't know law. Your own constitution you don't respect. Supreme Court judgment you don't respect. Then why are we in the court of law? Why are we in the court of law, I ask?
So from the video, Nnamdi Kanu made everybody understand that you guys don't know law. You don't know what your constitution says. It is rightly written in your constitutions. It is rightly written in the code of conduct of all of the judicial engagements you guys are doing. So why are you guys charging me? You understand? So it therefore means that there are several things that we don't even know is going on that Nnamdi Kanu know. A month ago, he made all his legal counsel and everybody representing him legally to step down that he's going to represent himself. So what is the hope of Nnamdi Kanu in this current predicament? Will he be released, or what do you think will happen? He wrote a letter to the President of the United States of America, President Donald Trump, in respect to all of what is passing through the hands of Nigerian government. What eventually will happen, and what will be the end of all of these engagements and court matters, guys? Let me play the video, and do not forget to share and subscribe, guys.
That can serve an equity. Okay. It has been submitted. I submitted. So when you're now in her office, okay. So this is they give a directive that Count 7 doesn't exist anymore. So that the constitution should amend it, change it, it doesn't exist. They refuse. I still play to that 740 law. Yes, it was an error. It's not an error, big error. So I want them to correct that. That was one of the motions we asked. That your plea should set aside. That's correct. It has not been heard.
On the lower court. So I was actually surprised that a high court have refused to obey or abide by the determination of a Supreme Court judgment.
And then take the only part that is against him and then refuse to apply the part that is in favor of him.
This cherry picking of what was contained in the Supreme Court judgment is what I'm against. Yes, that's correct. It should be implemented holistically. Yes. I'm not against facing any trial. After all, I'm innocent, they have not been against me. But there cannot be any trial when key sections of the Constitution and a key Supreme Court judgment has been violated by a court of law.
So you will be patient for the case to go back and come back to court?
This is my 4th year in solitary confinement in detention. The 5th year will not kill me.
Sorry, what if the case is also reassigned back to her? Will you still be comfortable?
It's not going on.
No, it won't happen.
It won't happen. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way at all.
Thank you very much.
These are the things that the public must understand. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you...
Bring that envelope. Bring the envelope.
Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it.
I'll give it to her because I think she's a bit more...
Give her the Sugar judgment. I'll replace a copy
Can you
for
hold
you.
this for me?
She can...
I want to let the whole world understand something. Very, very clear. In all this is the judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable.
Suspect.
And is here. Where is it? Please do bear with me. It says it here.
I like
what is it. Page? What is that again? Where it says
page 18.
all these things are online. Is it not page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the virtuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Okay.
They kept switching the charges. They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it?
Yes.
I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself. I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me. Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196.
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
In violation of their own laws. Violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
Because the